You just found the 2019 BMW X4. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Although beguiling with its graceful coupe-like lines and premium interior, the X4 never lets you forget that it was engineered for power. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera. Sublimely sculpted, refined, and agile, yet prepared for rugged adventure, the X4 awaits. Drive it.